Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use text-to-speech feature on Filmora Wondershare. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Filmora application on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to add text to this video. I'm going to click on text and I'm going to select the default title. Okay, I'm going to add, for example, hello, this is my vlog. All right, and then I'm going to use the text to speech. If we want to use the text to speech, we just need to go to the text to speech menu, and then you can select the language right here. Okay, then you can choose the voice you want to use for your text to speech. You will be able to play the
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Okay. Oops.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
For example, I'm going to choose
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
and I'm going to click on try free. Okay. We need to use credits, guys, to use the text to speech. Now it's not free. Okay, and now the text to speech has been created, and this is the result.
Hello, this is my vlog.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to use text to speech in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.